Get stronger faster with the Sunny Health and Fitness elastic cord rowing machine. Strap in and pull against the elastic tension for a rowing experience like no other. An ergonomic seat and pivoting foot plates keep you comfortable and stable as you engage your legs while gliding along the 39-inch slide rail. Use the easy-to-read digital monitor to keep track of all your progress. Diversify your experience with different workouts by taking advantage of the elastic cord system. Designed around stability, this rowing machine has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. This rower's foldable design allows for simple storage practically anywhere. Get stronger faster with the Sunny Health and Fitness elastic cord rowing machine.
Now you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn into your home with the new Schwinn 411 Elliptical. If workout space is a problem, the 411 was built just for you. Featuring all the benefits of larger ellipticals, the 411 delivers a low-impact cardio workout at a fraction of the size while maintaining a full 18-inch stride. A streamlined console offers easy navigation and full-featured programming, including high-intensity interval training. Track important metrics like time, distance, calories, and more. Keep your heart happy by staying in the zone with Bluetooth heart rate tracking and heart rate controlled programming. With the 411's variable resistance, you can choose the level that's right for the moment. A convenient media tray allows you to zone out with books, music, podcasts, and more. Plus, the Schwinn 411 is compatible with Explore the World, the new fitness app that allows you to run around the world without ever leaving your home. Stay motivated by touring the majestic Valley of Fire or take in the sights of Zion. Smooth action, heart happy, cool comfort. Get a low-impact, full-body workout that takes up less space in your home with the Schwinn 411 Elliptical. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn for the good life.
Reach your full potential with the SF1877 Belt Drive Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. Stabilize your ride, then power through the most intense workout safely when you strap into the adjustable pedals. Optimize your riding position and performance when using the thick 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars with multi-grip functionality. With a wide range of 28 to 36.5 inches in inseam length, this bike accommodates a variety of riders. With the twist of the dial, increase or decrease the magnetic tension instantly. The heavy-duty frame can support riders up to 265 pounds. A near-silent, smooth belt drive paired with a 28.5-pound flywheel create a comfortable, quiet environment. Keep track of your heart rate with the convenient pulse sensors. Stay engaged with your favorite workouts with the integrated tablet holder. Conquer any training program using 7 trackable training variables to measure everything from cadence to calories burned. When you're ready to call it quits, push down on the dial to stop the bike. Cool down with the water bottle holder, then move the bike out of the way with the transportation wheel. Train with confidence using the SFB1877 Belt Drive Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike.
With the Hurdle vibrating fitness platform. The revolutionary design allows you to tone your abs, thighs, buttocks, calves, and more. and the detachable handheld resistance bands allow for more versatile routines. Next generation dynamic oscillating motion technology uses 20 different levels of high-powered vibrations to do the hard work and help you feel the burn. The system is easy to operate and is ideal for all body types and age groups. You can incorporate upper body, lower body, and a core workout, all of which reduce the appearance of cellulite and improve metabolic rates. It's perfect for athletes and sports training, or anyone looking to accelerate weight loss and burn fat. And with the rubber grip anti-slip surface pads and included remote control, you'll always be stable while easily adjusting the settings mid-workout. Improve muscle strength, flexibility, and circulation with the Hurdle vibrating exercise and fitness platform.
Enjoy a quiet, low-impact exercise with the Sunny Health and Fitness Under-Desk Magnetic Cycle. Slide your feet onto the pedals with adjustable straps and achieve a 7-inch stride length smoothly, quietly, and consistently on this under-desk machine. Increase blood circulation, joint range of motion, and improve lower body muscular endurance while enjoying a very low-impact workout experience. Bump up the exercise intensity as you cycle through 8 levels of smooth magnetic tension. Switch up your exercise when you use this machine on a desk-level surface to engage muscle groups in your upper body as you pedal forward with your arms. Track your activity data, such as speed, time, distance, and calories burned, with the battery-powered exercise display. This under-desk elliptical is easy to store, weighing just over 19 pounds. You'll be able to move it anywhere. With this machine, you're in control. There's no need to be plugged into the wall to operate the machine. Stride towards your health and fitness goals with the Sunny Health and Fitness Under-Desk Magnetic Cycle.